Hello everyone. Mockup plays a very important role in client presentations. In this quick episode, we will introduce you to some mockup design resource site. Welcome to number 1, PSD Mockups. This site provides ample of design mockup resources. Most of them are free and easy to use. You could visit psdmockups.com and check this out. Number 2, Freepik. Freepik, being one of the leading sites, has a great collection of free resources and wide range of filters to help you pick the best mockup for your next big design project. You can visit the site at freepik.com. So a quick reminder to like this page for good design's sake. Number 3 on our list is Graphicburger. Along with a wide range of mockup resources, you can also customize and download your mockup with few clicks for a minimum amount. You could visit this site at graphicburger.com. Number 4 is one of my favorites and I am personally subscribed to this site, UI8. This is one of the greatest sites for free UI kits and coded templates. Along with this, it has some wide range of free and animated mockups to be used to take your project to another level. Number 5 is Mockup Plus. You could visit this website at www.mockup-plus.com. Mockup Plus has a clean UI with variety of mockups to choose from. It's really good, especially when it comes to UI related mockups. Stay tuned to our channel. We are bringing lots of great design related resources and will keep posting regularly to help designers grow. Please do like and subscribe. Post your feedback in comment section below. And be judgmental, stay judgmental. Don't forget to press the bell icon.